Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open and verify your crypto.com account step by step. Whether you're completely new to crypto or just want to get started safely, this guide will take you through the entire process, from downloading the app to completing your identity verification. First, go to the App Store, if you're on iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android, and search crypto.com. Go ahead and install the crypto.com app on your device. Once the app is installed, open it. Now, let's create your account. Tap the blue Create New Account button. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure this is an email you actively use because you'll need to verify it. After typing in your email, tap Create New Account. Next, you'll need to check your email inbox. Crypto.com will send you a verification email. Open that email and click on the verification link inside to confirm your address. This step is important to ensure that your account is linked to a valid email. After verifying your email, return to the app. Now, enter your mobile phone number and tap Continue. Crypto.com will send a verification code via SMS. Enter that code in the app to confirm your phone number. This step adds an extra layer of security to your account. The next step is setting a passcode for logging into the app. Choose a code that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. If you want, you can use the same passcode as your phone lock screen for simplicity. At this point, the app will prompt you to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, Know Your Customer. This is required for security and regulatory purposes, and most people will use a driver's license or government-issued ID for this. Tap on the option to verify your identity, and it will open a third-party verification tool integrated with Crypto.com. You'll first need to allow camera access, so the app can take photos of your ID. The first step is to take a clear photo of the front of your driver's license. Make sure the ID fits within the frame, and the app will automatically capture the photo once it's properly aligned. Next, take a photo of the back of your driver's license. You can retake the photo if it appears blurry or unclear. Once you're satisfied, tap Submit Photo. After submitting your ID, you'll need to record a short video selfie. This works similarly to setting up Face ID on an iPhone. The app uses this video to verify that the person submitting the ID is the same as the person creating the account. Once completed successfully, you'll see a green checkmark on your screen. After this, you'll be brought back to the main Crypto.com app, where it will notify you that your account is under review. Usually, this review process takes just a few minutes, though it can take longer depending on the verification system. Once your account is approved, you'll receive a notification confirming that your account is fully verified. And that's it. Once your account is verified, you are ready to start using Crypto.com for buying, selling, or trading cryptocurrencies. Make sure to keep your login information safe, and consider enabling additional security features like two-factor authentication to protect your account further.